Good morning, y'all. It is day 4, and today we are in Sydney, Nova Scotia. And it's quite a bit warmer today than it was in Halifax yesterday, so I'm grateful for that. See, I'm just walking alongside the ship here. So I just got off, and well, it was a bit of a long wait. I guess they didn't have both of the gangways open. I just happened to arrive to the midship gangway right as it was opening it. Had to wait, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes for them to finish that up. Not the end of the world, but a bit unexpected as I make my way out of the port here. Look at that thing. That is a giant fiddle, y'all. That thing is crazy looking. So I'm gonna go check that out. I had no idea what I'm gonna do. I didn't get lobster in Portland, so I think I'm gonna try and find some lobster today. Will I be successful? I don't know. We're gonna find out. You ready? I am. Let's go. Here we are, y'all. We made it to Governor's Pub and Eatery. Is it gonna be good? I don't know, but I'm hungry and it looks like a really cool spot, so I'm excited. Let's check it out. I was planning to eat outside because it's beautiful day outside, but I heard the music and I said, weather or music? I went with the music, if you can't tell. Listen to this awesome music. Is this not a cool spot? Little pub up here. I got myself something to eat, something to drink. I think I might have just found a little hole-in-the-wall spot that I'm really gonna enjoy. Maybe not a hole-in-the-wall, but for me, it's new. The oysters have arrived and they look good, nice and slimy, just like you expect them. Got some cocktail sauce from them.
We're here
There they are.
today,
down the hatch.
Please hang out, have an extra drink.
It's actually really good.
Dessert,
salty,
or whatever.
great cold water oysters. This is
sunburn.
honestly fantastic. I'm definitely gonna enjoy these. Dinner has arrived, or lunch. It's lunchtime. Lunch has arrived, and I've got poutine here, which is basically fries and gravy, and then more importantly, I've got lobster. So, comes the lobster. I've already started cracking it. Gosh, it is. Y'all see that? You gotta pick through. The green stuff is what they say is a poop. I don't want to eat any of the poop. See? So that's like a garlic butter. I wasn't expecting the garlic there, but that is definitely good. Try a little bit of the claw because the claw meat tastes a little bit different than the body meat. This is what I've been waiting for. This is, without a doubt, yummy. Gotta make a mess, but I'm gonna enjoy it. What a great day I had here in Sydney. Nova Scotia is an absolutely breathtaking area on the east coast of Canada, and you can see, making my way back here, the ship is over there to the left, but I'm just walking up this sort of like boardwalk area that they have here right along the coast. This is a small town. There's only about 30,000 people here, so it's not like a big city or anything like that, but honestly, compared to like what you see in like, I don't know, in the Mediterranean or a lot of the Caribbean ports where it's just crammed full of people, it was nice to be somewhere that like I could just kind of immerse myself just for a little bit here in the local culture. I really enjoyed it, but now it's time to make my way back to the ship and just enjoy these final moments here. But what a great day it's been. Thank you. Well, y'all, I made it back from Sydney and it's time for dinner in the dining room. It's day number 4, as you can see by everybody else. It is orange night, and well, y'all, I'm doing my part, so I'm looking forward to another great dinner here in the dining room. Just waiting to grab my table. Appetizer is here, and this is the chicken and sweetbread and mushroom cream. And I remember this from the Connex Dam in Alaska last July. I remember really liking this. It's basically chicken and a hollandaise sauce and a puff pastry. So, see how it is. It is pretty good. Basically, it tastes like a chicken pot pie without all the veggies and all that. But I would say it's good. I would go with the very good on this. Next up is the green pea soup. I'm not gonna lie, this is a stretch. Looking at it, I don't even want to try it. Oh God, this is gonna be awful. If you really like peas, you'll like it. If you're not, if you don't get it. I don't know what else. I thought it was gonna be like a hint of peas, but this is like, I've been complaining about the soups not being thick enough. The first soup is actually thick enough. It's like chunks of peas. Ugh, nah, bad. This is the hodgepodge klapster. Braised beef brisket, carrots, potatoes, onions, and butter gravy. Is it gonna be good? I don't know. It's not like a bad taste or anything like that, but it really doesn't have any sort of strong flavors. So I'm gonna go with a fair on this. I'll eat a little bit of it, but nah, pass. Dinner here on evening number 4 is in the books, and tonight was not the best meal. No, I'll take ownership of it. I think I probably made some bad menu selections. I chose a couple things that I was like, probably not gonna like that, but I'm gonna push myself outside my comfort zone and try it anyways. But the service was great, no issues with that at all. So now it's time to have a good night. Just heading down deck 2 toward the forward of the ship, and you see outside the windows here, hear this giant violin here in Sydney. I don't know, it's kind of fitting because just over here inside the Explorer's Lounge is a cello and piano performance. It's Orange Night and the festivities are about to begin, but first, the show. This is the first actual production show this week. So I'm making my way down here and grab a seat.
Are y'all ready for some orange party tonight?
Woo!
We'll shake our groove thing. It's going to be wonderful.
First production show is in the books. It was solid. It was all dance, no singing or anything like that, but the dancers were very, very talented. Now it's time for a bar hop. Well, dinner and the show are done for the evening, so now it's time for Orange Night to begin. And it starts with a bar crawl. So if you're like me wondering, a bar crawl on Holland America? Yes, a bar crawl on Holland America. I'm looking forward to it. We're about to see just how fun it gets, but stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it. Two stations into the bar call, and I'm not recording because I don't want to be rude to people, but we're kind of at a break now. You can see they're doing some like bartender tricks right now. Good luck, you know, see there's a whole bunch of people. Orange party, y'all, look at that, look at that. We're here at the Rolling Stone Lounge. Not bad. Don't know what this is. Officially reached a point in the bar hop where it's gone off rails and nobody knows what's going on. Well, the bar call is a wrap, and it's kind of cheesy, but it was kind of fun. I had a good time. Look at all the officers out here doing their thing. Day 4 is in the books, and tomorrow is our final port call. We're in Charlottetown and looking forward to that, but for now it's time to get some sleep. So as always, y'all, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been really fun, but now it's really time for bed. Good night, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It is day 5 of this 7-day journey, and today we're in sunny but not quite warm yet Charlottetown on Prince Edward Island here off the east coast of Canada. I'm doing a cruise line excursion, but y'all, I got a reason. I got to have it all packaged, and it comes with a $100 cruise line excursion credit, and it's a bar pedicab solar powered thing where basically it's a bar with a bicycle attached sort of thing. I'm looking forward to it, but just listening to this guy serenade us here right in the port. So I'm gonna make my way to the terminal, find out what this excursion is, and then we'll begin this journey. Here at the terminal, a little bit of confusion trying to find the excursion because they don't have a sign for it. But I was able to ask around, and a bunch of guys like, yeah, right over there. And the guy's like, yeah, sorry, we need to get a sign. Yeah, you do need to get a sign. We made it to our first stop, y'all. Here is the pedal cab. Look, see those are the pedals there. There's not much resistance on them, so I don't know how much we're actually doing to help power the thing, but been a good time. Y'all, we're here at a spot called the Old Triangle, and I wasn't expecting this, but we got a whole feast. I got some mussels and some garlic bread, and like, look at this, y'all. This is a big plate of mussels. They're good too. And to wash it down, got a Guinness. This is a good spot. Gotta say, this is definitely a good day. Now we are at Victoria Park. Wow, look at this. This is gorgeous, y'all. You got the Prince Edward battery right here, the old school cannons. I think it's 14 people that are on this excursion with us. I'll say the pedals, I don't think they really do anything at all, but at one point he turned the engine off, so we were moving specifically by the pedaling, and I guess I was working extra hard because I broke one of my pedals off, so I'm done pedaling, I'm retired. It's beautiful here, and it's a big field across the way. There's kids parked on the way, but I'm gonna enjoy this. He said we've only got about 5 or 10 minutes here, so it's not a lot of time, but I'm gonna enjoy while we're here, and who knows what's next. I don't. We've come to the end of the line, and we've made it back to the ship here, the Port Charlottetown, and you can see the Lobster Chat Lounge right here at the ship. You can see it's a lobster cone. It's like pizza dough and lobster. It's their twist on basically a lobster roll. So we'll see how it is. You're gonna find out too. The pedal cab tour thing may be a wrap, but they got one more bit. This is a lobster cone. I've got mac and cheese on here, lobster, bacon bits, scallions, I don't know, and butter. So we'll see how it is. It's pretty good. So as you're making your way back to the ship, see there's a little building right there past the trees. You can see the ship is right over here, so we're right by the port. But this was included with the tour, so this is very good. Definitely gonna enjoy this, and then I'll make my way back to the ship. Well, after a great day here in Charlottetown, all that's left now is for me to get back on the ship, and this is the final time I'm boarding. Next time I go down the gangway, it'll be for the final time. Got 2 sea days left, but no more port calls. It's time for tonight's show. This one, not in the World Stage Theater. I didn't want to see the comedian, but instead, here in the Rolling Stone Lounge is Breton Thunder. This is the awesome Celtic band I saw in the main theater just a couple of days ago. I've got front row seats, y'all. Here we go.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for showing up. We don't always get a crowd.
Time to do one of my favorite things on any cruise ship, and that is to go see live music at the piano bar. And here it is, Billboard Onboard. So I'm gonna sit down, take in some tunes from my man Carl on the keys. Here we go.